I'm sitting in a 2018 Nissan Altima. Takes the 5-button prox key. We look it up by VIN. We have no keys. Let's get started. Nissan Altima. Key coding 18. 4-door. Smart 1. Program key. Hazards are on. Okay, once it says all keys will be deleted and you get the status bar, the machine is done doing its programming. From this part, all you have to do is cycle the keys. We're just going to do one key. Push the start button. You'll see it flash a few times. Hold this up. There's your security light. Turn it off. Push it again. Hold it up. There we go. Turn it off. It says iKey error because the hood latch is disconnected, but this is the right key. It does take remote start. All done.